Are you looking for the best treadmills for walking? In this video we will look at some of the best treadmills for walking on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill. Cursor Fitness motor with max 2.5 horsepower provides efficient, reliable, and low-maintenance operation, while providing speeds of 7.5 miles per hour and emitting only 40 to 65 decibels of noise, ensuring your workouts won't disturb your downstairs or next doors. Monitor your target heart rate in real time with the built-in handrail heart sensors. Keeping track of your pulse rate during exercise ensures you are working out correctly and efficiently. Keep track of your workout progress in real time as it displays your time, speed, distance, calories burned, and heart rate. Choose from 12 preset programs offering different exercise intensities or customize your personalized workout routine. The 15.4 by 40.2 inches running belt provides ample leg and elbow space as you run, delivering a more comfortable workout experience for you, your family members, and even your pets. Our dedicated Cursor Care Service team, based in Los Angeles, offers 24/7 support with 100% satisfaction, ensuring you have no worries during your shopping and usage experience. Number 2. Portable Electric Under-Desk Treadmill. You must often be unable to go to the gym as planned because of time and space constraints. Then this under-desk walking pad can certainly become your emotional pillar. The small and lightweight body allows you to store and carry it with ease. You can adjust the speed to achieve different exercise needs. The strong weight-bearing capacity and performance can provide you with a more pleasant exercise experience and lay the foundation for your good mental state the next day. Our under-desk walking pad is a great way to exercise and relax. It can help you improve your cardiovascular health, burn fat, and tone your lower body muscles. So whether you're looking to keep healthy or stay in shape, this walking pad is an ideal choice. It is made of sturdy steel, plastic, electronic components and wooden board, which is strong and durable and can be used for a long time. The speed of the walking pad is 1 to 6 kilometers per hour. You can touch the buttons on the operation screen or adjust the speed by remote control to achieve different movements. The under-desk walking pad adopts a 0.5 horsepower pure copper motor, which consumes less energy and enough power to make your walking more smooth. Besides, it produces less than 80 dB noise, allowing you to walk or jog comfortably at home or the office without disturbing your family, neighbors, or colleagues. The top of the under-desk walking pad is equipped with a high-definition LED display, which can clearly show the time, speed, distance and calories, and monitor your exercise data in real time, allowing you to check your exercise in time. The heavy-duty structure of the under-desk walking pad enables it to withstand a weight of 220 pounds, which is suitable for people of different weights and very safe and convenient to use. Number 3. Treadmill for Exercise Equipment. This product can be widely used in the home, gym, office, and other places for daily running, and is suitable for people weighing less than 220.46 pounds to jog, walk fast or walk slowly. It is suitable for adults, teenagers, and even the elderly. Exercise can take away a day's fatigue, release bad emotions, and exercise our bodies. Our treadmill can undoubtedly be your emotional support. High-quality PVS, ABS, steel, and exquisite workmanship ensure your smooth sports. 220.46 pounds load-bearing capacity and performance can provide you with a more pleasant sports experience and lay the foundation for your good mental state the next day. PVC, ABS, and steel make this product solid, wear-resistant, impact-resistant, and rust-proof, so it can keep beautiful and practical without frequent replacement. You can adjust the speed to achieve different sports, 0.6 to 3.7 miles per hour. For example, 0.6 to 1.8 miles per hour can achieve slow walking after meals. 2.5 to 3.1 miles per hour can achieve brisk walking fitness, and 3.7 miles per hour can help jogging to lose weight. The pure copper brush motor with a maximum 1.0 horsepower, about 0.74 kW, that consumes less energy and produces less noise, less than 65 decibels, can provide you with enough power to make your running more fluent without affecting other people. The solid material, solid runway, thickened support frame, and stable structure provide the product with an excellent bearing capacity of 220.46 pounds, making it suitable for most people. Number 4. R1 Pro Foldable Treadmill. R1 Pro Budget Treadmill is walking pad's first product that combines running and walking forms. R1 Pro's foldable features allow it to become an ideal light treadmill. You no longer need to reserve a separate gym room at home, and R1 will enable you to run any place you can plug in, and walk anytime you want. On basis of 180-degree folding, the R1 Pro can fold again, which reduces the amount of space required, and also can be stored in an upright position, only occupied 0.11 square meter. The LED display on Treadmill and KS Fit app simultaneously displays your time, speed, steps, and calories burned. The retractable handrail can protect the user while exercising. Black spray paint and high-end aluminium material enhances the beauty and durability of the frame. In the conventional form, it is a treadmill, speed from 0.5 to 6.2 miles per hour. When the handrails are folded, it becomes a under-desk walking treadmill, so you can walk while working, and the speed is from 0.5 to 3.7 miles per hour. The Walking Pad R1 Pro is a popular office-use budget treadmill, armrest down to be put under the desk, helping change the sedentary status of daily desk work. Number 5. Walking Pad 2-in-1 Under-Desk Treadmill. The stronger steel frame structure ensures your safety while exercising, and the oil drip hole in the upper right corner allows you to refuel the motor, making the running belt smoother during work and bringing you a better running experience. Deer Run Mini Underdesk Treadmill is designed to be a super space-saving walking machine for home office workout, as this walking pad weighs only 41.8 pounds and has a small size of only 44 x 20 x 4.5 inches. With the built-in wheels, you can easily store the walking pad under the office desk, bed or sofa. The 2.5 horsepower motor enables our treadmill to provide a speed of 0.63.8 and a maximum capacity of 265 pounds, while keeping the noise below 50 decibels. Provides a smooth and near-silent workout experience, ideal for both work and leisure. This home treadmill walking pad uses a 16 inches wide 5-layer anti-slip belt and silicone posts to support the impact you experience while exercising, providing protection for your knees, muscles and joints. Deer Run Under-Desk Treadmill comes with a 12-month warranty. Whether you encounter any problems before or after sales, you can contact us at any time. Our professional customer team provides you with email and phone service.